Hi, welcome to my new video on how to install Brother DS270D scanner driver on your computer. To install this scanner driver on your computer, you will require its driver. I will suggest you to download its driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After downloading the drivers, you will get this type of setup file. You need to just double click on it to execute the installation process. It will extract the drivers like this. Click on next and now click on next again and then click on yes. Then click on install. It is now installing the drivers. Click on finish. It has been installed. As you can see, the Brother DS720D scanner has been installed successfully. So that's it. I hope you will be able to install your 720D scanner with the help of this tutorial. If you like my efforts, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.